Oh hey guys, I didn't see you there. But while I have your attention, I wanted to show you my latest design. It's a 1.75mm filament cutter. That is, a filament cutter for your 1.75mm filament. I got the inspiration for this design by a fellow member on thingiverse.com, Andreas, with a 4. For Andreas. Thank you, for Andreas. The pros of the revised design is that it's slim and compact and nearly half the size of the original inspired design. The original design uses the wider portion of the blade, and my design uses the smaller portions of the blade, so you get more blade for your buck. Here are the parts that you'll need to make this. Some 9mm snap-off box cutter replacement blades, an M3 0.5 by 10mm Phillips machine screw, a 4x40 set screw 3/16 inch long, flathead, a compression spring, diameter 5/16 inch, length 1.5 inch, gauge 0.02, and a fun-sized Twix bar to make print time extra fun. Remember, more Twix bars equals more fun. You'll also need a 2mm precision screwdriver, flathead. Now that you've gathered the pieces that you need, let's dive into print settings. Start one. So I'm using a printer bot Play, and if you have one as well, you can just copy all of my settings. If not, here's what you have to pay attention to. My layer height is at 0.2. My print speed is at 30. The raft is not necessary, but I would recommend it for precision and to keep things afloat. And also my travel speed is at 40. I'm also printing at a 13% infill. Now that you've set your print, now's the time to bring out that fun-sized Twix bar. If you savor every morsel of your Twix bar, you should finish it around the same time as your print. Yeah, perfect timing. Well, now that we have the finished pieces, let's get into assembly. So in order to get the blade that we need, you're gonna want to take a portion of this off. And if you notice, they're scored. So you just get a pair of pliers or whatever tools you need to break this off safely. So we want to start by grabbing this small printed piece. And if you notice, there's a small hole here. That's where the set screw goes, the smaller screw. So now that you have the set screw half in place, it's not actually all the way in, we're going to put the blade in. And this set screw helps hold the blade in place. Go ahead and tighten that up. Now grab the larger printed portion and the spring. Just set it on top of the rounded part. Place it down, hold it in position, grab the other screw, tighten that up, and there you go. Well, there you have it, your finished filament cutter. I'm also selling these on my website for those of you who are too lazy to make them yourselves or wanna cut corners. Check it out on the link below. Happy trimming!